kwasa chel bana chel baby chel sampa chel onkra muboy omunya something ase na mitimi keka baby asole sabi so den kwase asem jimi na oti do ma ho ada wujimi na o de da kuya ka brekumase ya brekumase do ma hene kwase ya admambere kwase ya uto ka akro tuntobi mahama ne toka amawo mahama ne toka de mawo edi adi jimi no wo be chasa tias na o te hin na ko eyi na o tie e na o ko do ma na ti kuma sinteso ya bu e pom na ko tra hin e na ko tepa bo ma ni esa to awo e na odi dwane ye ukro no so tiase e ukro no tiase ya bu oje ko na se domna wo de okata so ura ni sante hin ya uja sante hin kra so me na me ka to uja sante hin kra doma hin wo na uja sante hin kra Jimmy ya na do tutu sante hin se de o yonku bi ni sante hin o ka na ye hodi na wo Jimmy sa de to abaye twetwe di na ejin ba twero bi na be se be mfa ma mi kroma aso wie na o twero akoto aba pasea na mkate do ma hin abatol kwa untubi kosi be mfa ma krom ho aso wie aso akoto aba o Jimmy ti koso sabato menya ne mitimi peke because se man ne mani abre pa customers gumsu bronya si sabato mpeke ko mo fa nchame mo a mo frɛ me ma mpeke mo a mo whatsapp mo a ma we pra po me ne mo tie whatsapp no da so ba be sabato wo life o pesa o be mo a o de o beti wa fa me no man frɛ na kan wa gene o pesa o join me hasusu a tag send me invite ma adeo koso amenya ne eye do ma hiri mutio enka papa na me be video ama no be ebe ko sa live no so mun share video no mame mun share video no do ma hiri e koso na menya ne and MPP youth e koso na menya ne ye mame fu ato aba ma MPP koso e na menya ne MPP party members e koso e na menya ne e na do ma hiri enu me bia wo ye onu ani krom domafo e frɛ me edi no na Paul edi ne na da pa ede edi ama me na me tie do ma hene me meji na tem but Saturday papa do ma hene me ba be kan asem sa no ma na wo ye no ora fo mama me fam ansam akwa MPP fo so sa no ma na do ma hene wo ye no ye bu bia ya kura ya kasete wa bia nya ode do ma hene tie Muncha video ma do ma hene me say Saturday mo ma hwe sabato na Saturday no so soro emrantie bia ready so mbe so mo kasa kire do ma hene enti do ma hene sabato page ha obi biara opesa wo kasa kire do ma hene me ma platform because all here me de makomanye ne makoto bom enti wo de do ma hene mo ma me fa ne to nche na me ka MPP party ye problem high na me kan wase because na course was about to menya message ya voice message aba do ma hene ni MPP party eti na me address MPP Saturday na ba do ma hene so eti mo me ko MPP fo me sra mo mpanifo
asembo won say ampa na lawyer that lawyer no go you fool. Don't be ungrateful and liar. No, don't a money chance too much. No, I am not telling you no, but be vigilant because Taliban will be doing Mondrapo Mahama. NDC party should stand up and drop Mahama 2024. When you're competent enough to lead NDC, the man is too soft. Only that quality leadership, sir, leadership quality will be. The man is too soft. You want to me and their cancer, no. What do you handle or more? Oh, yes, Rosemont, share. I can afford your number share my one to you. Messi, you are not necessarily. I'm watching a social war. and almost so one, and almost to make him unfearsome. Now, Papa say, Yankasa, ha! I can't walk. They want to make every president, my home president, eh? My home president, oh, yeah. Or Rapomusan, I'm me ba. Me ba better to so. Me ba. Me better take taxi, make you telling them, and our taxi musu. Oh, that's not musu. That is account for you. You know how to talk. You know how to convince people. You know how. You see, central. And trying as a yakan for say, is it la Bakumani? Make control at the Rosaman and Eman Alpha Pepper. You answer a lie about to be what you could be. I'm telling you. I can't find that. Rollins was able during his time, no, or to me, society because on how to handle the accounts in Ghana. So we are non account. Now we want to be successful in that tone home. Know how to deal with the accounts. Don't give them chance. That's how Rollins the end from trying to and I run the try my and draw a fabrication stories on the talk show because Rollins know how to handle them and Rollins was successful because of handle the accounts. But when president doing that Muhammad meaning say Sammy Bono say Edono Otimi Obalai. I almost saw a open man or almost no timber. Oh, you also want to man for the man for the man. But the man is too soft. They're too soft. Gabi watching that come. I will say the eh? Everybody didn't be just as I said, or quite in chain. Now one never could come more ama. And this is for no parliament to one day. He live not to man as I say. Me say, I can't for. Hey, or two for compound found say, or best Mahama. Hey, me say. Ghana home and perform yourself in the say Ghana. I mean, one day, me shall be mad to bomb on Facebook. I shall mean your master the phone, eh? Umber block me also. I call you. Me say Ghana home. Just come. Share and Kofobin say Ghana. Me say Opama or two for and Frem Mahamane or two from Frem Mahama. Now on funny in Kasam for 11 Mahama member and this for the one Jabanatum Mitunyame. Now on to one or two for the catcher will say, or to me, say I caught no, Ghana caught no to me also. Sometimes you people no more table or see or two for us say or no. I no caught to my organ hormone or to me was okay. Obia Hashem Rai after say, no one is above the law. Baby, I sam no dano or let it no. Or 240 by time our castle no court no decision and this is true. So no 240 assembly the court or left and collapse. Where must say and running some people are above the law. Opa me say ma or 240 and from Mahama. Fatish. Fatish. Semudi omupeji 11 the only option. It seems that there's no competent people in NDC to lead NDC except Mahama. Listen to me. The American said there's no single competent person out of NDC over to lead the NDC. Say Mahama. That is why. Mahama, you are too soft. That softness, no, it will never lead you anywhere. And then everybody with you. That what you say. And a labor can say equality before the law is only on the paper. It's true. Or two for the necessity, but was say, oh no. Court never gonna be now. Job can this.